Okay, since that video was too long, so I made the part 3 video now. Uh, oh, this looks nice. I could see a little bit fishes as well. Okay. This whole walking or cycling trail is going to, this side is going to the Dixie Road, and the other side it goes to the Clark Street. So you have two main intersections here. Oh, that's my building, 8 Lisa. Okay. That's a wonderful morning. I'm just heading up towards the 8 Lisa. I'm gonna show you inside the 8 Lisa. These are some spots for doing fishing.
Back on this side. On this side. Back on, no. Back on. What I told you. What I told you. What I told you. What I told you. What I told you.
Oh, you have some trails inside. Oh my god, I never explored this. I'm gonna explore it next video. I hope I'll bring my family as well, so we'll go together. Oh, now we have a lot of people doing the morning walk. They have having some party here on the side. This is a place my son is really fan of this place. He comes here, play every day. Seating arrangement. Let me go back to my 8 Lisa. It's a very good neighborhood. I'm just heading up toward my place now. We have a sitting arrangement here as well. If you have big parties, you can go outside, play the games here. Okay. Okay. I'm heading towards my back door here. we have a separate keys, so all owners have the separate keys for doing entrance. Here it comes, our 8 Lisa. See, this is an empty place here. You have a lot of sitting arrangements to your party. This is a one trail inside as well. You see a lot of rabbits here in the morning. I can step into the trail, but I guess it's a little bit wet. I'll do it later, I guess. But that's just inside, so I can do it next time. So let me make another video. It's just too long right now.